you all. So it's a new year, 2023. And I said, I don't have anywhere to go. So let me give myself some treats. Yes, some treats here and there. And so I made some jollof rice, some grilled chicken with my vegetables and all that. That I'm going to share the recipe with you today. You will love it. So Charlie, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share this video for me. Okay, let's get started. And so I have my chicken drumstick, and what I'm doing is to sprinkle salt on it. I'm adding my all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to apply it all over. And then I'll cover with a cling film and then let it sit for 1 hour. Yes, let it sit for 1 hour. Charlie, if you're watching me and today is your first time, don't leave without subscribing, clicking on the like button. Okay, so these are the ingredients, some of the ingredients that I'm going to use. That is onion and tomato seeds. I have my pepper there, and I have my spring onions, and then bell pepper, and then ginger, garlic, natural mixed spices. I'm going to blend all together, as with the exception of the bay leaves. So I'll blend everything together. So I have my saucepan on fire. I just added my bay leaves to the oil on fire. We are going to stir fry it for some time, and then the blended ingredients, I've poured everything in. And at this point I had to run away the way the sauce was splitting, so I have to run away and come back. I just rinsed the blender with water and added. So let's cover and let it cook. Okay, so we are checking on it now, and so we'll be adding our sliced tomatoes to it and then stir it together. When you subscribe, do well to click on the notification bell. It helps so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. So I also added my tomato paste to it. We are going to stir everything together and then give it time for it to cook very well. And so this is my new year treat that I give to myself and my family. And just follow the recipe and you're going to love it. Okay, so our sauce is getting there. We are going to add our seasoning to it. So I'll start with black and white pepper plus dried thyme. So, and I'm going to add my nutmeg also to it. Try cooking jollof rice with nutmeg, you will love it. And I'm also going to add my all-purpose seasoning to it, and I'm adding the spices from my kebab spices. Yes, that is what I'm adding. You will love it. It's very nice. And this is fish powder that I'm adding to it. So the kebab spices that I made, if you have not watched that video yet, I beg go and watch. After sieving it, the rough part is what I saved for this. So I also added salt to it. Adjust the quantity to your preference. I'm going to add my drumstick. Yes, it has been sitting for 1 hour, so I'm adding all to the sauce, and we are going to cover and give it time for it to cook. But we are not going to cook the chicken for it to be very tender. No, not at all. And so let's stir it to prevent it from burning. We don't want any black in our jollof. Yes, and so I'm going to increase the salt, because when I tasted, I realized the salt wasn't enough. So I just added more and stirring again. Please subscribe or like and share this video for me. Okay. And so at this point, what I'm going to do is, the chicken is ready according to the way I want it. So I'm taking everything from the sauce. Yes, I'm taking everything out. There are some of you who watch my videos on how do you call it, WhatsApp. You have never subscribed. You have not subscribed, to talk of liking my video. So I've washed my rice. That is 4 cups of rice, Ghana capo. 4 of that. And I'm going to add water also to it. So you watch my videos but you have not subscribed, you don't even go to YouTube to go and like the video, I beg. Today being a new year, do that for me as a new year gift. Okay, so we're going to cover and then give it time for it to cook, and let's attend to our chicken. And so I have my suya pepper or kebab spices here. Go and watch that video and make one for yourself. You will love it. So I'm going to apply it all over. Now you can decide to just sprinkle it on it, not to apply it all over like the way I'm doing. It all depends on how you want it. I have my rack there, so I'll be arranging it on it while I apply the spices on the chicken. And then after, I'm going to roast it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, on a lower heat. Yes, so that we'll get it to cook very well, not to burn. So I'm also going to work on my vegetables. I am going to cut them into larger chunks or big chunks. Then I'll take the rough part from it. And so I'm making uses of cabbage and carrots and bell pepper, green bell pepper plus onion. And so we are going to slice or chop all that. Please like this video for me, subscribe, share, and leave a comment as well. So let's check on our rice. I have already stirred the rice. That one I did it off camera. So this is the second time I am stirring it again. Yes, or let me say the third time. Then we'll cover with parchment paper. You can use either tissue, that is tissue towel, or napkin or foil to cover it. So I'm going to add plantain to this. So I will slice it and then I will fry it. Going to add it to it, Charlie. So after slicing the plantain, I'm going to apply salt on it. Yes, according to the way you want it. I'm going to apply salt and then I will shake it for it to mix very well. I will add the rest of the salt also and then shake it for you to mix very well. Okay, so let's go and check on our rice. Yes, we are checking on our jollof rice. It is getting there. It is getting there, but I felt it's too hard, so I needed to give it a little bit of water. Yes, so I will sprinkle a bit of water on it. Yes, the texture of jollof rice depends on how you want it. I don't want it too soft. No, neither do I want it very hard. No, it should be something that you can easily enjoy it in your mouth. Okay, and so I'm going to sprinkle green beans and onion on it. Cover with my parchment paper for 5 minutes or a bit more, and then I'm going to stir it together. I will stir and then cover again for 2 to 3 minutes, and that'll be it for my jollof rice. Ready and very, very, very tasty. Yes, so our jollof rice is ready. Charlie, look at this jollof. Oh, looking sumptuous. You need to give it a try. So I have my pan also on fire. I just added water to the pan. I've added oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding all-purpose seasoning, black and white pepper, dry thyme, and salt. That is what I added to the water. And then I'm going to add my carrots. You know, carrot is hard compared to the rest of the vegetables, so I just added cover for it to boil a bit. Then I'm going to add the rest of the vegetables to it. Yes, and I'm going to stir it very well and then cover for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that will be okay. We don't want the vegetables to be tender. Yes, we want it to be crunchy. Yes, so at this point it's okay. I'm just going to take it off fire. Yes, so and so guys, here is it to my treat, Charlie. So because I don't want to go out, let me be indoors, give myself some wonderful treats. Maybe if I go out there, I'll go and pour somebody something and then I'll have to pay for it. And so I needed to give myself and my family some New Year treats. And this is simple, and then you will love it. Just give it a try. And so I want to use this opportunity to wish all of you a happy new year, a prosperous one. May God grant you all your heart desire, and may He open doors for you. You see how beautiful this food is looking. May God make your life more beautiful than this. And so this is it. I served myself and enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.